all. I congratulate Dr. Krishnath, covered all the basic topics regarding the Agata Tantra, past, future, and present. But here I am directly going to the subject clinical toxicology. What is clinical toxicology aim today? And actually, the clinical toxicology is traditional visual as per Agata Tantra. So, Agata Tantra means what is Agata? Agata is anti-toxic medicine. So, clinical toxicology is the technology of using Ayurvedic anti-toxic medicines and management in clinical practice for the purpose of prevention, as intervention, stop complications, manage associated problems of poisonous and allied types manifestation. So, what I'm going to deal here, my clinical experience of using this clinical toxicology in my practical level or clinical level, or it may be you can see that the future and the scope of Agata Tantra in the post-COVID session. So let us see some of the antitoxic drugs used clinically here. Bildwadi, Doshi Vishadi, Kalyana Gurdam. Yes, one important one is Dashapurpa, still not explore its actions. And the Chidapala, all these drugs, there are several. You can see single drugs, compound drugs. If you are thinking the Tantra books, you can get thousands of single and compound drugs. So, and one about Dashapushpa. The Dashapushpa is one of the important Agata drug, which widely used, which is still not explored its usage in the clinical level. So, this is the Dashapushpa. I'm not going to detail, you can get it all the one Gurundala Muercha Vishnu Durva Kayuni Dridali Panacha, Putti Chervala Dashapushpa Namna, Ella Marin, Vantaran Chigri, botanical name, scientific name. You can refer any other book, you can get this drug. So, here I'm going to deal the post-COVID problems are fearfully increasing nowadays. So what clinically Ayurveda Vishigilsa is very useful. So here I am going to present my clinical experience of the clinical toxicology usage in the post-COVID problems. So what publication of COVID infection at the same time newly adapted new lifestyle problems. This is two problems we are facing. Lot of patients are coming. So how we can apply the Agata Tantra principles and Agatas in the clinical practice? That is the clinical toxicology. That will be the useful for the coming doctors, or what that will be the scope and exploration and duty of Agata Tantra people in the coming future. So let us see what is the complication of COVID appearing as. Since it's a viral infection, the virus is a poison. And in the ojaksha will be there. The Agnimadi will be there, and Srodha Dushti we have to consider. Here I am seeing Sapta Dhadu Dushti. Due to that, it shows neuromuscular weakness will be there, Manovibhrama will be there, Unmadam will be there, Nidra Nasha will be there. And Indriya Nasha, sensory loss, taste, smell, etc. And allergy to sanitation and mask and other reaction. So, as per the Agata Tantra principles, considered clinically this as a Dushi Vishavikara. And if the effect of Doshi Vishak Mudia or Doshi Vishari Agatam or the Shapushpam, will all other Agatas you can implement clinically for a better result and better and economic and effective and scientific result. That is my presentation today. So, as per my experience, this type of complication I am seeing in my opinion: general weakness, muscular pain, multi-joint pain, breathing problems, palpitation, allergic reactions, recurrent fever, burning sensation of the body, anosmia, and paralysis. All these type of nearly when I am taking my statistic for the last 3 months, more than 100 post-COVID problems approached and successfully managed with our Agata drugs. So that is my share here. See, one of the post-COVID allergy. Actually, this patient had previously had atopic dermatitis. And now she is a 22-year-old girl. And she affected, her family affected COVID, and she took some. After the COVID infection, she developed this kind of reaction. So this one of the evidence shown the post-COVID problem as allergy. This is Mask allergy. This is one of the important disease or problem facing nowadays. The different types of mask with the different maybe some thickness or the polyester dress like that. So this patient came with a mask allergy after it's a lifestyle disorder. And here also we can use or we can apply the Agada Tantra principle. Here, this is the sanitizer allergy. Here, see, he is engineer. After application of the sanitizer, he is developed the itching on both hands. So these are the common post-COVID problem which can deal by Agada Tantra principle. So how we can use it? The usage of Agadas clinically prove. We can prove clinically because what I'm telling is this should be taken by the new youngsters. You can study for the PG study. The other PG students can study because post-COVID problem patients can enough you can get. So take this principle, do in the research, come with a clinical evidence-based data, send it to the international world. That will be the scope of Agadantra people. Here, if the weakness, the Dushimshari Gulya is very effective. General weakness, Dushimshari Gulya 1 BD is very effective. And the sensory loss, that is losing smell, anosmia, given biliary Gulya and Chierbala 1 application. After 2 weeks, the smell will be okay. Then mental problem, our Dashapushpan Gulagya and Manasmitra Vadaga. These Dashapushpan Gulagya also you can make it Dashapushpa Tail, apply on the head as a piju, then Nidra will be very good. So this is a one, but the Dashapushpan Gulagya is not available. I am preparing my own. Anybody can prepare. Dashapushpan Gulagya is a wonderful drug which we still cannot explore. So it is the duty of coming to explore its action and study more scientifically in the research way. And insomnia, again, the Shubhashmuli also you can give the insomnia case for the Nasim also for internally also. And the other Pachagada, your Panchakarma is very effective. And all these in this condition given comfort by our Ayurvedic manual using Agata Tantra principles or Vishachikitsa principle. Now, see this mask allergy, I have treated. Consider it a Vishaja reaction, and it is Pitta Kabashaka, Dushimshari Gulaya and Guluchari Kashayam, and the Lotra Savior the Kashayan Sharanam and application of Sharan of the Gata. The simple management you can within 7 days he will get these results. So this is the clinical application of Agada Dandra in the clinical practice. It is very economic, very scientific, and very effective. Within 7 days, the mask allergy will be relieved. Now, this is, and after this, let me share one of the rare case studies in which our Agata principles are involved in the medical system. Other medicines are more useful. This is a patient, this is my, I think it is treated in the May. This patient, Ali PK, presenting complaints informed by relatives and that quarantine period was happening. On June 30th, he is a diabetic with post-COVID problems, unable to walk and weakness, severe cough in the system posture. And his history is a 50 years old healthy person, 175 centimeter height, 70 kg was working in Saudi Arabia. Started as a fever and cough and throat infection, no treatment given out there. Gradually increased the symptoms and became very, very weak. After 1 month only, medical attention got in an unconscious state and affected by COVID and pneumonia, admitted in the ventilator under sedation for 1 month. Then 10 days in ICU, right? Then it's a known case of diabetic and hypertension also. Yes, this is, he was positive in April 90, negative on May 20th, and consecutive 3 negative result. Here, this is his case history. Parid Ali, 15 years, male, non-diabetic, hypertension, presented to the history, shortness of breath, and after he had given chloroquine, all the medicine he had given, and 1 month he was in the ventilator, and after that 10 days in ICU, and he was discharged. So he approached me. In the condition on arrival at Cochin airport, he was in the wheelchair. He was not able to lift his hand. He was on the cuff position. While simple effort he is cuffing, he's wasted all the muscle. His weight was 50 kg at that time. Now, he's presenting complaints at that time, unable to walk, difficulty to raise the hand, stiffness of main joint, weakness and wasting of the muscle, no appetite, no sleep, severe cough in the sitting position. His weight was reduced to 50 kg from 70. His random blood sugar 106, cholesterol was 220, triglyceride 374, and hemoglobin 12.8, polymorphs were 44, and lymphocytes were 46. This was the condition he approached by his relative, and we consider this Ojakshayam due to a Vishaja Nidanam and Garajanyam and a Sannibada Jaram. Actually, Sankarha takes 16 types of Vishobhadravas. Vishanila is one among them. So, in this condition, we consider it is a Vishanila condition. We are treated the principles Amapajana, Sodashodana, Ojavardhana, and Vishashamana. And Anubandha Yoga Shamana. This was the principle we can adapt being an Agatandra OP, and we have started medicine given for 1 month. Indukanta Kashayam, Triphala Gulguli and Vidyadi Gulya, Aknik Madrasam, Mehari Churnam, C100 and Gorojadi Gulya for Oja Vatra and Chavana Prashan Kashar. Since he is a diabetic patient, we are not able to give any medicine which contains sugar. And so we are going to Kashai instead of Chavana Prashan Oja Vatra. So after 1 month, this was the condition. He is improving. At the 1 month, patient is very cautious, walking freely, muscle weakness reduced, sound sleep, appetite normal, and his weight was shrinking to 57 kg weight. Then medicine changed after that to Deepana, Pajana, and Brahmana, and Ojavardhana. And after giving Mahakalyana Gardam with Suvarna Basma. And Vilyadigulia again with Chandra Prabha. Meghari Churam with Sihal. Chavanaprasham and Mehandan Kashai, Malashagantadi Thailand with Karpura Thailand for Abhengam. Here, this Mahakalyana Gazam is an antitoxic drug. Kalyanagam is also Vishay. So Mahakalyana is more effective, it's Brahmana also. So we have selected Mahakalyana Gurdam and Swarnavasam being a Ojavardhana. Swarnam is the most number one for the Ojavardhana, and the Ojas and Visha, actually Visha is this caused the declaration of Ojas. So again, after 2 months, yes, before and after, his muscle become developed, weakness is over, he is more energetic, and he's after 2 months very happy, walking freely, good appetite, and his weight was 58 kg, hemoglobin 12, and only foot of the left leg, and wasting is reduced markedly. Admitted after ESR was 35, polymorph was 59, lymphocytes 30. Previously it was 44 and 46. ESR were more than 50. So this is corrected. And after that, he admitted in our hospital and 84 Panchakarma treatment. Here, in the hospital management, again, Snekhabana with Mahakalyana Gagaram being a Agata drug. The Krasumatra, 3 days, that if you are 25 ml first, 50 ml and 100 ml. Then Abhengam at the steam 1 day, Belashaganta Thailam, excellent Chirabala Thailam for head. And Virajana Avipati, he had 7 Pekar. And after that, we had 7 days of Abhengam. Avagaham with the Kashayam, some Kashayam we have in Avagaham. And in Navarakiri for 7 days, Matra was for 3 days. This is the treatment protocol we adapted in our hospital. And after that, see the blood. Why the Snehabana? Sneha is the number one antidote for the Visha. Being the Vishaja Nidana or Vishaja Jura, in the Dhatwashida Jura, Dhatwashida program, the Snehabana is a very good antidote to our patient in the Vishachitsa. So Snehabana, usually why the people are not adapting Snehabana, this fear that the cholesterol will increase. But from this report, before her cholesterol was 220, triglyceride was 374. VLDL was 75, HDL was 43, LDL was 139. And after the Snekhabana, we had checked the cholesterol reduced to 169, triglyceride reduced to 183, and VLDL became low, HDL became 40, LDL 139 to 87. It is normal. And blood sugar became normal with the drug. So this is the blood picture after and before of Snekhabana. And so on condition of the discharge, walking freely, good appetite, more energetic, good sleep, weight increased, no food drop, and his muscle become strong, now wasting. His weight increased to 58.8 from 50. Now, so this is the condition of after 3 months of treatment. Now, after the discharge, I have given Gandhathaila capsule, Ashwagandha tablet, Namayasam Gulgia, and Dushi Vishari Gulgia for continuity. Being some considered also Dushi Vishari Gulgia continuously I have given for 1 month, and Mechanicial all other medicine. So after 1 month of discharge, the weight was 62 and no other problem, normal food and exercise here adapted. So this was the patient after when admitted here and while discharging. And after 1 month of that previous this medicine, he went for Dubai and he was now doing his normal work of a drive. So why I put several example, I can even several other clinical presentation I can several, but on within 20 minutes I select only 2 cases. So if anybody want more example and more detail, you can contact me, or you can attend my online class of Ayurveda for theoretical practical training. Contact or either email or this. Why I put in slide, it's only motivation to the younger generation of Agata Tantra people. Since myself and Krishna is retired, but now the younger generation do act as per the need and as per the situation of the condition. So other people can do wonders in the post-COVID problems. Also, you can do research. But from the beginning of the this COVID, some confusion with the evidence-based clinical. But if you are thinking about the inaugural speech of our Prime Minister, respected Prime Minister, he aiming that the future of Ayurveda is prosperous in the post-COVID session, either in the India or in the international world. So it is a time to act. The Advaita Tantra PG should be more vigilant and more active to do some actual clinical research. What I put is actual clinical research, not preparing a PG thesis is not enough for the Agata. So the Agata PG paper or the research should be beneficial to the science, should be beneficial to the department, should be beneficial to the international world, so that you can explore the opportunities that the post-COVID problem if you are approaching the science in the scientific and utmost respectful manner. That is all my presentation today. I think if you want anything, you can this number. I will give you my help. Okay, Dhanyavad. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity. Pranam to all.